Yo, what is going on, guys? Drake here with UnlockBoot's official YouTube channel, and in today's video we have a tutorial for you guys for how to unlock your iPhone 10. Unlocking your phone guarantees that you can use it with any GSM carrier in the world. It also greatly appreciates the value of the phone, so whether you want to sell the phone in the future or not, it's up to you after you unlock it. To begin, all that we're going to need here is a 15-digit IMEI number of the phone. You can find this by going into settings and then about under the general tab, and then scroll down and you will find your IMEI. This is 15 digits again. You can write it down or copy it in your phone somewhere that you can see it later. And once we have the IMEI number saved, all we're going to want to do now is go onto a web browser and go to UnlockBoot.com. The link will be down in the description below if you guys want to get to that, but it is very simple for what you have to do from here. You're going to find the carrier that you are currently locked to, as well as find the unlock for that carrier. So say I'm on AT&T or T-Mobile and I need the unlock for one of those carriers. I'm going to click that, and then from there on you're going to want to enter in the information such as the IMEI, the model of the phone, and the status or whatnot. Once you fill out everything that is needed here, put your email and finish checkout, and then usually within a week is when this unlock process will be done. However, just pay attention to the email that you get after you place your order. After waiting the allotted time window that was sent to you, you will get an email that your unlock is done. Basically what this means is that all you have to do is restart your phone, plug in a different SIM card, connect to Wi-Fi once it boots up, and the unlock will be done. Alternatively, if you have a computer with iTunes, just connect your phone to iTunes and then enter in your iPhone password, and it will auto-complete the lock for you. And that's really all that you have to do in order to unlock your iPhone 10. Again, this was a tutorial outlining the basics on how to use our website's unlocking process to get your phone for use with any GSM carrier worldwide. If we did help you guys in any way in this video, be sure to leave us a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to our channel, UnlockBoot. Thank you for watching, and signing off, this is Drake with UnlockBoot, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.